So I'm about to go cycling. That is my bike. And just wanted to show very quickly what are the things that I do before I go cycling or what I never forget. First of all, as much as it's sometimes ridiculous or awkward, this is a lifesaver, okay? The shimmy cream, or I'm not sure how to, I would say it's chamois if I would say it in French, but this is a lifesaver. Just saved me from so much pain and very awkward to apply, but highly recommended. I never go to cycle without it. Obviously, never cycle without a helmet. It can save your life, literally. If you saw, I think it was like a couple of months ago, a video from Gordon Ramsay who showed when he fell what injuries he actually suffered. And it was the helmet that saved his life. So never go without a helmet. Helmet is a must. Always wear helmet. And I usually have a camera. Lately I didn't, but this time I will apply one. And this is also a game changer tool. It's a quad lock. And I have on my phone a case that can hold it. It's easy to clip in, it never falls out. I've never seen anything like that or so useful thing than this is. I think most of the phone holders are very awkward and they are big and bulky and they don't really hold your phone in place. This attaches perfectly, so I can just recommend it. I always have this small bag on the back with water, and I have wet wipes because if I have to do anything on the bike, then it's just good to clean it out immediately. Right now I have my camera stuff as well. I have a coat and I also have a lock just if I need to stop. There is no way I go without I'm gonna show this. No way I'm going without my turtle. I have a little turtle here, and I have here a bag that is full with bike tools. It's if I get a puncture, if I have to do anything on my bike, it's just good to have. I can show I always have some tools with me. It's quite heavy, but it's worth having it. So this is just a tool set, and I have here for punctures, repair kits and everything else. And I always have a small pump. Just let me take it out. Here, I have a small pump too. Never leaving without them wherever I go for biking. Alright, here we go. I always have an extra cap actually under my helmet because I don't like the sun in my face. But we are ready to roll. Ultimately, here is my bike. Here is the camera. This is the best bike I ever had, by the way. Now we are just gonna attach the camera or the phone here. Yeah, 30 kilometers later. Come on, here we are. Here we are. That's the view. I'm not saying this is why I did it, because that's actually quite close to me, and I'm just finishing here. But that's still a nice place to have just a breather. And there is my loved one. Every biker knows we all have a very special relationship with our bikes. But I'm gonna kind of finish it here on this side because that's a nice place to finish off. So this is where I biked.